literally my hands are a bit shaky. I'm not joking. This is what Chanel does to us. What can I say? Alright, oh my god, so exciting. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have another special unboxing, and it is special because it is. And I got a new bag. Another one. Alright, so without any further ado, if you want to see what I got, which bag I got, keep watching. I think you will like this video. So yeah, keep watching. Alright guys, so you probably saw that I picked up something from Chanel in my vlog. If you haven't watched that vlog, I'll link it down below, or I'll link it up here so you can go and watch it if you want. But I picked up something from Chanel and this was not planned. I mean, I wanted this, but it was already sold out, and I thought I would never be able to get it because with Chanel, once it's gone, it's gone. So my SA contacted me and she was like, Maria, I have good news. I found the item that you wanted. It's the last one in the UK, so you better hurry up if you want it. I can keep it for a day for you. If you can come, check it out and see if you still want it. So of course I wanted it, and I went, and I knew that was my last chance to get this. So yeah, I got it and now I'm unboxing it. I got it yesterday, by the way. So I can't wait to unbox it. I wasn't planning to film a video today, but I really want to wear it and I want to see it. So I decided to film this video. Oh, Chanel boxes, so beautiful, always so beautiful. Alright, so here we have the box. And oh my god, I need to take a picture. Hold on guys, I need to take a picture of this for my Instagram. Alright, so this is the beautiful box. And let's remove the camellia. Where should I put the camellia? Oh look, it looks really nice on my tweed jacket. Should I just leave it there? Let's leave it there for now. And let's unbox this. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking right now. Because this, oh, the box is upside down. Because this, I didn't think I'll get this, guys. Honestly, like, I don't know why I'm so nervous of seeing this. I've already bought it. Why do I still feel so, like, nervous? I don't know, like, but literally my hands are a bit shaky. I'm not joking. This is what Chanel does to us. What can I say? Alright, oh my god, so exciting. Can you guys guess what it is? I told you it's a bag. Pause the video and tell me which bag you think I got and what color. Please do that. It's always so fun to read your comments and see who guessed and who didn't. Oh, you can already see it. Alright, let's just do it. Whew. And this is the bag. And look at the little bed they made for my bag inside. Alright, let's leave the box somewhere. So, I got... Oh my god, this is so special. This is precious little bag. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, this is so special. I got the Coco handle in light grey. I couldn't resist. It was the last one. I finally decided that I wanted the bag after I bought the doorbell, and I asked Maya if they still have it, and she said, Maria, unfortunately we don't have it, it's sold out. She told me that will happen and I knew it was gonna get sold out. So guys, let's just take a moment and look at this beauty. Oh my god, I can't believe this is mine. It is so special. I just can't believe it. It is the most beautiful, cutest little bag, and I've always wanted a light colored bag. Ideally, I was looking for a white bag, but when I saw this, This is such a perfect grey color. You know how much I love grey, you know that grey is my favorite color. And this piece is so special. It's very light grey, almost white. In different lighting, this bag looks almost white, so I love it. There is only one little thing that bugs me, and I'm such a perfectionist. I have a bit of an OCD and there is only one thing that bugs me a little bit. It's the shiny hardware. I've never been a fan of the very like shiny hardware. I wish this was with like aged gold hardware or silver, but again not too shiny. Let's open it inside. This is the bag inside. It's a bit difficult to show, but I'll insert some clips of the bag and I'll show you it better, because you'll be able to see better that way. It has a little pocket. So the Coco handles come in 3 sizes as far as I know. They come in this small size, a medium and a large, and this particular color, the light grey, this season for the spring summer collection, they released the light grey in a medium and in this tiny little baby. I also found the medium. This one was already sold out when I started looking, when I decided that I was interested and I actually wanted to buy it. I started looking again for it, and it turned out the small was sold out everywhere and they only had the medium. So I did try on the medium. I think I have some clips. I'll insert some clips so you can see how the medium looks on me. It might be helpful for you. I really liked the medium. It was only 200, I think, pounds more, 200 or 250 pounds more. But at the end, I decided to go for the little baby because I can use this as an evening bag. And you know how much I love my small bags. You know that I always say that I need to start buying larger bags, but I don't know, I always end up buying tiny little bags like this. They just make me so happy and I love it. So this is the Coco handle. The price was £2,900, which is a lot of money. I realize this is a lot of money for such a tiny little bag, but it is Chanel and they keep increasing the prices. I believe this bag was released a couple of years ago. I'm not sure when exactly. I think 2 or 3 years ago the price of the small Coco handle was £2,400 and now it's almost £3,000. So they keep going up in price. It's a very popular design, so they keep releasing the Coco handle with every single collection in different colors. I really wanted to get this now because I didn't want to miss out on this beautiful color. I'm sure there'll be more stunning, beautiful colors with the next collections. They always have very special pieces in their cruise collections, but once you miss out on a Chanel bag, you won't be able, even if they do a grey color, they'll never do the exact same grey color. They might change the hardware, they might slightly change the shade of grey, but they would never do the exact same one. The only classic one is the black, but the black one is always sold out. It goes so quick and it's really hard to get, but if you have a good relationship with USA, I'm sure she'll be able to hook you up with a black one. They come with every collection. They just get sold out very quick, and they also come with the exotic leather handles, but I think those will be discontinued because Chanel will be stopping the exotic leather bags. So this is Caviar, and I have to be very careful with color transfer, but I'll use this mostly as a summer bag. So in the summer I wear lighter colors anyway. I have to be very careful with jeans. I'm a huge jeans lover. I wear a lot of jeans. So yeah, this is the cutie that I got. I'm really happy. I can't believe I got 2 bags in like 2 weeks. So I splurged a lot this month and last month. I keep buying stuff. I don't know what's going on with me, but I have to stop now and start saving up for my birthday, because my birthday is in April, and I have planned another big purchase. So yeah, I'll have to start saving now. No more bags till my birthday. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my new baby bag. I'm so happy, I can't wait to wear it. I'm going out in a bit, so I'm definitely gonna wear this beautiful bag. The weather is so nice currently in the UK. It's like 17 degrees, so I'm taking this baby out. And let me know if you have the bag in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts about this bag. How do you find it? It will be helpful for me and everyone who's watching as well and who's interested in the Coco handle. So yeah, that's all. Don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. Everything will be linked down below, and you can also come follow me here on my Instagram. I upload outfit of the day pictures, so if you want to get some inspo, come say hi on my Instagram. I'll also show you my new favorite products there, and you can shop my looks. So yeah, you can come say hi on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching again, and I really hope I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!